Hello students, in today's session of chapter experimental skills, in which topic we are going to discuss is screw gauge. Concepts will be clear through illustrations taken from JEE Main PYQs. In earlier session, we have gone through the concepts through illustrations of vertical calipers, which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these are the playlists concerned. May visit the YouTube channel for these for all chapters, which are very useful for JEE, NEET, CUET and other entrance examinations, right? Which you can review on YouTube channel Sethi Swift Learn. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सेठी स्विफ्ट लर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट and share with your colleagues and friends. Now, let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, while measuring diameter of wire using a screw gauge, the following readings are noted. These are the readings. Main scale reading is 1 mm and circle scale reading is equal to 42 divisions. Pitch of the screw is 1 mm. And it has 100 divisions on the circle scale. The diameter of the wire is x by 50 mm. The value of x you have to find out. 4 options are given to you. One of the option is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main PYQs. Right? You know diameter of the wire is given by this formula. MSR means main scale reading. Plus circle scale reading into least count. According to question, this is 1 mm plus 42 into least count. How to find least count? Least count is given by this formula. Pitch. What is pitch? Pitch of the screw gauge is the linear distance moved by the screw during one complete rotation. Right? And least count is given by pitch divided by total number of divisions. So least count will be equal to 1 divided by 100, that is 0.01 mm. 0.01 mm is the least count. Therefore, dia of the wire will equal to 1 plus 42 into 0.01 equal to x by 50 mm. All is in mm. This comes out to be 1.42 into 50 equal to x. Answer is given in x by 50 mm. So x simplify करके आ गया 71. X on simplification we get 71. So correct answer is B option is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, there are 100 divisions on circular scale of a screw gauge of pitch 1 mm with no measuring quantity between the jaws. The zero of circle lies 5 divisions below the reference line. The diameter of wire is then measured using the screw gauge. It is found that 4 linear scale divisions are clearly visible and 60 divisions on circular scale considered with the reference line. Diameter of the wire is 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main PYQs. In this case, error is there because diameter of wire is done well using because when no measuring quantity lies, the zeros are not coinciding with the reference line. In this case, positive zero error is there. Positive zero error is there. Zero circle left at the reference line. Zero correction is negative. In this case, this is given to you. Zero error is 5 into least count. 5 into least count will be 1 upon pitch upon number of circle divisions, that is 100. कितने mm होगी? That comes out to be 0.05 mm. This is the zero error. This is the zero error. Least count is 0.01 mm. Least count is 0.01. So correct diameter will be equal to the measured dia minus zero error, that is minus 0.05. Measured dia will be main scale reading plus circle scale reading into least count. On simplification, this is 4 scale. 4 plus 60 into 0.01 minus 0.05. 4.60 minus 0.05, that is 4.55 mm. This comes out to 4.5 mm. The correct option is 4.5 mm. A is the correct option. अगर नेगेटिव एरर आती तो उसको ऐड कर देते. नेगेटिव जीरो एरर मीन्स जीरो करेक्शन इज पॉजिटिव, and positive zero error means zero correction is negative. Right? Next question. Question is, the least count of screw gauge is 0.01 mm. If the pitch is increased by 75% and number of divisions is reduced by 50%, the new least count will be, fill in the blanks in turn minus 3 mm. Question is taken from JEE Main PYQs. Right? You know the formula. Least count of the screw is pitch divided by this. So this is given to you 0.01 equal to 1 upon 100. Say that is our assumption. Pitch is 1 mm and number of divisions are 1. Right? Now, according to question, pitch is increased by 75%. That is 1 plus 75% of 1. That is 1.75 mm. And also number of division circle scales. Number of divisions on circular scale reduced by 50%. That is, new will be 100 minus 50% of 100. That is 100 minus 50. That is 50. New least count will be equal to new pitch, new circular scale divisions. That is 1.75 upon 50 mm. This comes out to be 1.75 upon 100 into 2. That is 0.0175 into 2. That is 0.035. That is 35 into 10 to the minus 3 mm. So fill in the blanks will be 35. Fill in the blanks will be 35. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, find the reading of screw gauges shown in the figure. Given that circular scale has 100 divisions and there is one complete rotating screw advances by 1 mm. No. We have to find the reading of the screw gauge. Reading will be reading a formula of the main scale reading plus circular scale reading plus least count into least count. Right? Main scale reading is 10. 10 pitch हो गया. 10 pitch means 1 mm. 1 pitch is 1 10. plus 60, 70, 65 into least count equal to the pitch upon number of divisions on circular scale 1 divided by 100, that is 0.01 mm. डायमेंशन लिखना एसेंशियल है, ठीक है, इंटू 0.01 mm, दैट इज 10 प्लस 0.65, that is 10.65 mm is the answer. Because zero error is regarding silent error, so we will not consider any zero error, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Swift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.